Welcome from me and my pimple, which just popped up within the last day or so, but nonetheless we are talking skincare. November is National Healthy Skin Month, and it's also the time of year when the air gets kind of dry, so dehydration can be an issue. That's what this facial is focused on. It's a subscription service that I purchased called Glo On The Go, and every 30 days I get everything delivered to my door to create the perfect at-home facial. This month, the goal is to balance electrolytes and maintain hydration, and there are three main components to this facial. They are the cleansing balm, triple acid peel, and the electrolyte jelly mask. So let's just get into it, get started, and hopefully pimple be gone. We're starting with the ginger turmeric cleansing balm, and we are double cleansing. I'm a big believer in double cleansing, especially if you wear makeup, because a cleansing balm is going to wipe away everything before you use your cleanser. It's a really great first step. If you're not double cleansing, you need to be double cleansing. I have oil double cleansers, I've used balm double cleansers. You can use micellar water. I've used that before. So really, whatever suits your skin type you can use. There are several forms, but just get a pre-cleanse. And that is the entire message today. Get a pre-cleanse. Usually I rinse my pre-cleanse off with most of them, but this one says to leave it on and then go ahead and put the cleanser on. So that's what we're gonna do. And it comes in this little package, and this is an aloe cleanser. This still smells great. I know some people do not like scent in skincare. I happen to enjoy scent, and this smells like laundry fresh, almost like that like dryer sheets, like that kind of fresh smell. So if you're into that clean, linen-y fresh scent, then this is something that you'd probably like. So now I'm just gonna rinse this off and go on to the next step. My skin doesn't feel dry at all. It feels really clean and kind of soft, but not dry, so that's good because we don't want to overly dry while we're cleansing. So we're going on to step 3, which is a triple acid exfoliation. This is going to help with hydration because as your natural exfoliation slows down, those dead skin cells that are on the surface are going to stay there, and that can block moisture from penetrating. So the peel is designed to remove all of those dead skin cells while maintaining the skin barrier, so it's not going to be too rough and tough and dry you out and over exfoliate you. So this has pomegranate and cherry enzymes in it, and you can see it's very stretchy, almost like slime. You know when you're a kid and you have the slime? It's kind of what it reminds me of. So I'm gonna apply this all over, and this, ooh, it smells like, what are those things called? The fruit by the foot, or fruit roll-ups. That's what it smells like, a fruit roll-up. It smells really good. Oh, I love the way this smells. I thought it would have more of a chemical smell than a fruity smell, but it smells really good. So I'm gonna leave this on for 2 to 3 minutes. It feels cool on my skin, which feels really nice. I'm also into the cool feeling. I love cold products. I always go for maximum time if I can, if my skin feels comfortable and there's nothing weird going on. So I'm gonna go for the full 3 minutes for this exfoliation. It's time to rinse. This didn't actually tingle or sting at all. It kind of feels tighter almost. So it has a, I don't know, a tightening effect versus a stinging, burning sensation that sometimes you can get from a chemical exfoliator. So it's actually quite comfortable to have on. So we've got action on the pimple. There's something happening there, but my skin feels good. I feel like it looks a little more glowy and bright. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel it, and it feels smooth and hydrated. So We're moving on to step 4, which is a jelly cool down mask. This is a 2-step mask, so it came with a hydrating powder and also a hyaluronic acid essence. And we're gonna mix them together in a bowl that was provided with that silicone brush. This is an electrolyte mask. It's packed with magnesium, potassium, bicarbonate, iron, and calcium. And those electrolytes are gonna work to balance the skin barrier and create a vacuum-like seal to maintain the maximum hydration. I mean, who doesn't love maximum hydration? So this is gonna stay on for 10 to 15 minutes. You already know I'm going for 15, and it's gonna turn into a mask that I can peel off. So it's gonna, you know, kind of like solidify a little. I've used jelly masks like this before and I really like them because I feel, oh, I dropped some. I feel like they really do lock in that moisture. So, and this feels nice and cool too, which I adore. It kind of smells like blueberries a little bit too. My one complaint with jelly masks is they are kind of hard to apply because they're kind of like gunky, you know, like it's like goop. In this case, once you mix this, you have to use it, so you may as well pack it all over because you can't save it. Make sure that Pimple has extra coating. We're gonna get you out of there, Pimple. So it has been 15 minutes and it's time to peel this off. I might need a little more time. Well, oh no, here we go. I thought maybe it wasn't ready, but it is. And you can see it's like a piece of rubber almost. And this felt nice on. It stayed pretty cool. Like I can actually feel the warmth of my skin now as I'm peeling it off because it definitely cooled down the surface while it was on. And this is pretty easy to get off. Sometimes I don't like peel off masks because you get all those little pieces that you can't get peeled off and it's more annoying than it's worth a lot of times. But so far this is coming off really easily. There's like a couple little ones. They're just trying to hang in there. And so now I'm gonna take some water and just wipe away what's left. So the last step is the recovery, which is also provided, and it's the Glow Up. It's like moisturizer with sunscreen in it. I like it. It smells great, and it's usually in each box, and you get a little jar of it. I think I have like 5 or 6 of these jars. I still have some extra in because I usually use a different moisturizer. But I do like this one, especially with the facial. I just like to keep it all within the box. And this moisturizer also has a light scent to it. It's like almost like a citrusy, like a light citrus scent. Again, I like the way it smells, but if you are sensitive to scents, that is something to keep in mind if you're considering trying this. I definitely feel like my skin feels hydrated, which was one of the goals for this month's facial, and it even helped minimize this pimple a little bit, and hopefully it'll be gone soon. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I have a new video every single Friday, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when there is a new video. And also, if you're interested in trying out Glo On The Go, I will put the information down in the description box, and I will see you next time.